Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Fitness or Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be teaching you how to do side plank crunches. Let's take it down to the ground and get into a side plank on our right hand side. You want to make sure that your elbow is stacked directly below your shoulder, and you want to make sure you come up to the side plank with a nice strong core. Your hand's going to come up behind your head, and when you're ready to begin, you'll bring your left knee up to meet your left elbow, and then return to your starting position. That is one side plank crunch. Let's go ahead and switch over to our left side and see how that feels. Again, elbow is stacked directly below your shoulder. You come up to a side plank, and when you're ready to begin, we bring our knee up to meet our elbow and return to the starting position. Let's go ahead and try a couple of those back to back to see how they flow together. Come up to your side plank, and when you're ready to begin, crunch, return to starting position, crunch, and repeat. Inhale and exhale to bring yourself in. Exhale when you crunch. Inhale when you release to your starting position. And that is how you do side plank crunches. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching.